For today's video, I'm going to be opening up this Rainbocorns Talkin jelly shake surprise. So I'm going to use this for storing things in my pink room after I open it, but let's go ahead and open it now and see what is in here. It says pull here. And you can see on the back it has like the little unicorn right here. So this is what it looks like with the outer packaging off. It has a squishy heart here on the front. And it's kind of like a snow globe. So let's see how you open this now. I guess you just pull the top off. Oh, it's an animal in there. I didn't know that was going to be in there. Aww. Okay, so what? Oh, it's like an elephant with ears and a unicorn and a big heart. How cute is that? I did not know that that's what it was going to have. And then it has wings. How cute is that? And then we have some other little toys. This says it's jelly slime, and then it has something else in the top too. I think that looks like beads or something. And I guess paper to explain what is in it. And I think this is, it looks like it's a clip, so I think this comes out. Yeah, it looks like it's a hair clip or something. It has a clip on it. And then that's it. So I can use this for storing things in, candy, or I think maybe things like scrunchies. You can pretty much use this for anything you want. Just put that back on like that, and now I have that to put in my closet room. So that's what was inside the Rainbocorn. So I discovered it has Velcro at the bottom, and I turned it on, and this actually makes a noise. It has like a little music symbol here on the paw, so let's press that. Aww, it makes little sounds and sings. How cute is that? So I opened the top part of the jelly, and it looks like we have a little unicorn toy, and then a bunch of beads, pastel colored beads, and some string so we can make a little bracelet or something like that.